Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use copyright checks on a Capcut application. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Capcut application. Okay, and after that let's start a new project and choose the video that contain the music on it. Add into your project. So let's hear first. Okay, you can hear that this video has a music on it, so let's check either this video will be gonna get a copyright for the music or not. So how to check it, you just need to go click the audio, and after that you just need to go click a copyright. Now you just need to wait until like this process running until 100%. Okay, it depends on the length of your video though. Okay, you can see here that Capcut said that your video will be muted on TikTok. Means that if you want to upload this content into TikTok, there will be like a high possibilities that your video gonna be muted, since there is containing the music or audio that claims to this song. So how to prevent this? You just need to click the change sounds, and you can like wait until the Capcut give you the recommendations into the audio that you can use for replacing the previous audio. Okay, and after you're done, just need to click it, and now click plus, and you will have the new audio that probably will prevent you to get the copyright. That's the way how to check the copyright on a Capcut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.